kumba ars pa angot ki Nonkyrshan uba Shangpliang Ram haka khandai tereng tau banai kila Pyniasoh elade shaka Seng Bjp haka jingdan lang uba hek bar kwe de kinongalam ya lang priang puram yaki la pulong haka office jong BJP hashalong Vice President kanika Seng sign perthe udipayan Bhattacharji ulong bakane kat pen klein chu ekaseng barulai thu ba omtang Ram hinrei dang bon ki ban wan ki we de ki constituency banrung shaka Seng BJP.
Today, more than 150 to 200 people from Ram have come all the way to join the party. That is a big boost for the party as a whole, and we are very happy that Ram is getting strengthened, BJP. And it is not only Ram, many other constituencies also people are joining now.
Uba hek habai kran biglap thai khubor ulong bagani ki Nonkyrshan gini ki ars pa angot kanya rabika seng bandang klan chu hak election MLA kaban wan.
Many of the supporters from the Muslim constituency, they have joined the BJP. This have strengthened the party organization in the state of Meghalaya, not only Muslim. You will see in the days to come, many different constituencies also they are joining the BJP. Many the sittings MLAs, even the ex-MLAs also they are joining the BJP very soon. And we are going to contest more than 40 seats in the coming up election in 2023. And BJP, we are trying our best that in the next election, in May, BJP will be the led government in the state of Meghalaya.
Some of your leaders have said that BJP will not work with NPP even though they have to sit in the opposition. Is it true, Bhai?
See, now we are in the government. We are in the alliance partner with the NPP and under the MDA banner. We are working together, but we are not going to be a pre-poll election with any political party.